Is there a green refrigerator in a 36-inch size?
Yes.
Can a large refrigerator exceed ENERGY STAR standards?
Yes.
Is there an alternative fully integrated refrigerator that is 36 inches?
Yes.
Have designers been waiting for Liebherr to offer a 36-inch refrigerator?
Yes. You have questions about a better, greener, large-capacity refrigerator. There's only one answer: the Liebherr 36-inch refrigerator. Liebherr is pleased to offer the 2062 series of 36-inch refrigerators. Better design, better efficiency and silent operation, better food preservation, and better use of space. Go ahead, try us.
Can a refrigerator be beautiful and functional?
Feast your eyes. Stylish French doors, double freezer drawers, a sleek Magic Eye control system for precise fingertip control. Should we go on?
What design options are available?
3 models complement any kitchen design: freestanding, stainless integrated, and fully integrated models.
Does Liebherr use LED lighting?
Yes, in fact, it's standard in new products. Unique LED light towers in the main compartment provide perfect illumination.
What difference does LED lighting make?
LED lighting emits no heat, is more energy efficient, and longer lasting.
Does Liebherr's 36-inch fridge keep food at perfect temperatures?
Yes. Separate silent compressors ensure accurate temperature and humidity control in the fridge and freezer.
Does airflow matter?
The new advanced airflow system seals in vitamins and safeguards food. When the temperature is set to 0, it really is 0.
Is it possible to be a large capacity refrigerator and energy efficient at the same time?
Absolutely. Liebherr's 36-inch fridge has approximately 20 cubic feet of capacity and is ENERGY STAR rated.
What makes Liebherr the leader in green refrigeration?
Liebherr is committed to Active Green and produces all products with Active Green guidelines.
What does Active Green mean?
Active Green means Liebherr leads the way in sustainable practices and responsible manufacturing. It means that 100% of Liebherr's indoor refrigeration is ENERGY STAR rated, and it means that Liebherr is the first refrigeration manufacturer to be RoHS compliant worldwide, and importantly, the very first in North America.
What does RoHS compliant mean?
It means Liebherr does not use substances such as lead, mercury, cadmium, types of chrome, and biphenyl.
Why is Active Green important?
It's an easy way to make a contribution to the environment, save on energy bills, and really, who wants hazardous substances in the kitchen?
What else makes the Liebherr 36-inch refrigerator so smart?
The advanced water filter removes small bacteria particles that competitive filters can't. The ice maker makes 3.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours and stores up to 7 pounds. Liebherr's new patented soft close system in integrated models ensures a gentle, easier close. And the glass-lined shelving holds up to 180 pounds. That's a lot of food.
Okay, what else does Liebherr know about refrigeration?
Liebherr is the leader in premium refrigeration worldwide, offering innovation since 1954. With production plants in Germany, Austria, and Bulgaria, Liebherr manufactures close to 9,000 units daily. Liebherr was the first to eliminate CFCs from upright refrigerators, to introduce the BioFresh food preservation system, to create a side-by-side appliance with 5 temperature zones, and become RoHS compliant worldwide, making Liebherr the worldwide leader in green refrigeration. The North American market is asking questions about an alternative refrigerator in the 36-inch size, and Liebherr is answering yes with the 2062 series, no question. Ask a Liebherr representative for more information about the 2062 series of 36-inch refrigerators today.